Now, I want to put this on record, and it's about time I responded to Nyoma Ekoso on the internet. I want to say this, and for years, Maka, opinion, your friend, ex-president Kufuor, Mumubebrea social media, Facebook, especially TikTok, and Kwarabibra, Mugu TikTok, irresponsible kids are munim what is at stake. I've said on my platform over and over so many times to say, J.A. Kufuor as a husband, I respect him. J.A. Kufuor as a grandfather, I respect him. J.A. Kufuor as a citizen and a statesman, I respect him. J.A. Kufuor as a leader of a family, I respect him. J.A. Kufuor at his age, I respect him. But I will insist that J.A. Kufuor as a politician is a criminal. And I have never moved away from that statement. J.A. Kufuor as a politician, to me, is a political criminal. And is one of the greatest political criminals at Ghana. Now, mon korana muti social media, eka se, sebio Kufuor o ibubueni no, eya mo ena mo ka sa asem na to Kufuor so. If it is a mere kwamiti hei, mimbie manoda o baby anka se Kufuor ibubueni. Kufuor, onye disability ni o. Kufuor, Oti Ghana no, Obian command pay say Kufuor is being grouped under people of disability or people with disability. Obian yesa. It's more with social media. Now my imagine say mobile force the Kufuor abeshe. Eya idea friend no, people with disability bracket will be very careful. Be very, 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 very careful. Most ankran mo NPP mu no. Because you need Kufuor to Ghana, you say papa Kufuor on the sebio or person nanti ko tu to me sorry nante or person tenasi or to me sorry tenasi. Sometimes they be feel lazy into on person be sorry. But days are feel so lazy no to me sorry jina na so chia. It's moi social media titi TV so etiti Facebook titi TikTok force person mo create bibi to Ghana for nkwara team say eh ya papa Kufuor ne ho mfa no oyare oyebubuafo ya papa Kufuor nye bubuafo ya papa Kufuor odu baby also sorry na ntima ye nyina ehu ebi odu baby o feel lazy on person be sorry no on sorry e no kire so oyebubuani it me catch them on kwara na mo de TikTok na mo pese mo force na mo de Kufuor ekohye people with disability ya Kufuor nye bubuani mo njai sa akasa no na me akobedu amtie me njira baby ambie ma no say Kufuor ye bubuani it mean very, very careful. Now there's a video circulating on social media, and that video was made in 2024 November. You're 2026. That video was in 2024. Now Samira Bawumia and Nukunu and they started this jandam. And video now circulating a video Eddie over 2 years. Sa time na atchede Kufuor Addo na NPP for through say we be defending no. Sa eye de Kotiboto Kufuor Addo ono na na president. M1 say and there you people have failed to defend the Kufuor Addo, but you have jumped all the way 25 years back to say obi de Kufuor Atta. Now, me be say munyina mohwe video no. I will respond. There are so many young people in Ghana, they don't know who Kufuor is. They don't know the damage J.A. Kufuor did to Ghana. The corruption general, Kufuor, the audio Ghana. So, mudina TikTok, amokasa anyhow. But I want to rectify this. Video be a uno system be a 2024 video, November. Na edien, Kufuor the president. I was reacting to Kufuor Addo Jimmy. And I'm a Ghana 40 a sebi, nyome be a fa Kufuor ho. Inti my imagine say mo de mo be di Kufuor Atta waka se Kufuor ebubuani no me akọ de me gina me bi anka so ebubuani. Ye nyina hwe Kufuor wako event bebre. Ada opese osori no sorry. So opese chi otumfo nsem ogina na so chi otumfo na watena se. And it's a sign of sometimes he's just lazy to do it. But when he really wants to do it, he does it. It's immediate in my eyes. And the wisdom nyame amame no, J.A. Kufuor is not disabled. Now, mommy, go video no 2024 video we na NPP for some jandam. Me wi na ma kire who J.A. Kufuor is. Kufuor na ni pe bia ma dwen say omo ni message ma Bawumia nti omo de be sympathetic politics no. Me ba be kire mu who Kufuor is. E bia mo nkwara bebre mu nim Kufuor. Nti these are things we need to take serious. Now, my mention my DB. Now, shade. Yes, I got to hwe. na ne Kufuor Addo also okubie hwe before you go on hwe this is the statue no ko hwe e be a statue no hwe I say a bottom hwe be o the statue no ko si statue na nsen a okoyi no aha na o hwe na obi te western region te takra de say be koto am NPP ewurade nyankopon ye na I say de ben esurisa sonye. This is a Kufuor Addo statue no hwe statue no be esi o de nyabotre ne hwe statue no be esi hwe hwe statue no hwe be esi hwe environment no. This is what Kufuor Addo ekoye no western region na ote western region oya wasani oya hantani na wa sorry say kwasia we me koto aba hwe surrounding aha na the statue be si o or the carpet be say ho nyina na or the cars be 200 efri nkan o to petrol gum or the wusika ebe sinne na na do danko Kufuor Addo tun fa nsantene ade ba ko hwe Takra Deport John Mahama expansion o ye ni nyina no and we so abegina painti o say ne dia we Jimmy. These are the people who are campaigning today. Kufuor hu adia o and so say ye Bawumia metoa so Kufuor because ono so ne bae no eye bini dan no obesi ye ne life mu nyina no in the history of his political life Kufuor toilet and it's in the so hepek toilet Kufuor gallon omo bokro no ye nka Kufuor asem oya santini and ubuso Kufuor do nya hwe Ghana at 50. A forensic report was done. A commission can say Kufuor ye kromfo. Kojo mpienu mu nyina wie sika Ghana at 50. And the oko eye archives bia unhu Ghana at 51 video mpo. Kufuor kromfo. Kufuor ye kromfo. And so me anka Kufuor asem ye ti krom ha e die na ye hu Kufuor tam Ghana sika 1.5 million dollars 2006. E de kwa brochire konani gold ebe tu ni kom. Kufuor kromfo otam Ghana gold ena okonane ye ena oba na odebe ma ono agasa ne ho award wo Ghana mo se ye ntri Kufuor ho asem da ma ye nka Kufuor asem sansamfu e nka Mahama na ye ya kama be me ada okrom ha ene de ye nka ya brebre so waka se tia panyini ye de nwan na gu ye krom nwan na gu ye fie Kufuor bedi Ghana so wan bedi mponche so wan bedi na busuafo so ye na ne ye hwe no ende ye ne hwe Kufuor ade na otim na why lazy na person benante no ye ne etua ho ka until we have the right to question Kufuor onye yesu oye politician obebo Ghana bro yeah itima mama Kufuor nye say he's untouchable. Who is Kufuor? Can you point to one monumental project Kufuor ya ebetudi ni ato ho Ghana e bini dan kwa? Show me one monumental project. Kufuor na ye and they betumi de ye dey ye betumi de ye nsapon say Kufuor nsa no adwumani wetima kire mi ni kuro mankasa santimemu okoye emergency ward hospital na esi wono e na obeto block back wenim eno adam fa ne din to so nipa no disappointment nipa no or embarrassment nipa no has shown no will say he came to serve, he came to steal. And on Ghana higher campaign ontumi nka say and a Ghana for mo amonhwe djuma me maye ontumi last oma interview me djuma maye nyina me beto ontumi ambo adjuma ono atumi start wie ye 8 years already me see and sa kita school boys foolish boys don't free Kumasi ko interview no ontumi anka no TV no say me ye djuma we na me te me nsa free ho Kufuor ontumi anya djuma bia Ghana ntene nsa free ho Kufuor. This is a 2024 video. A show I'm here, and I still stand by it. And nobody in Ghana can tell me what I said was wrong about Kufuor's leadership and whatever I said. Because so when you go deeper, you understand, say, mumum. And I'm piepia Kufuor na koni wom. Mumom. Because I have seen Kufuor, and what I like about Kufuor is say, Odu otu for mo tumi sore nante ekochia ni nsem. Wakobe bi bebre awaso regional and that means when he wants to work, he work. maybe you see it say Kufuor disabled. Into mumum nende mochi Ghana phobia adwena koso say Kufuor oyebubuafo. Sebio Kufuor the letter bia bro obi woni fie say meyari ni. When was it disclosed nationally? Say Kufuor say meyari ni. Wakachi obi, has Kufuor ever come out himself to say I am disabled? Modia motiti TV so no face mojiminti. Penyini a otiri fie and I'm okay to so. Me, I don't see Kufuor as a disabled person. I see Kufuor as sometimes he's lazy to work. That's it. It may be a whole interpretation, no? And I'm will say, well, into mono, when you're very careful the way you speak about Kufuor, mo $500, $10, $20, no? But this platform, every single thing we say, it is a study video now, an outshare video now. The context was a Kufuor Addo, and I'm Ghana for TSC. The action of Kufuor, and yet now, mo bebre munim who J.A. Kufuor is. Jirima Kufuor bedi no senka any president edimu 1% anka sani pani da jail. The reason why J.J. Rawlings never agreed with Atta Mills was because he failed to jail Kufuor and Kufuor. The reason why J.J. always had issues with Atta Mills was because Atta Mills, for the first time in the history, me start here me show me didn't win out because if Atta Mills had been strong enough, Kufuor me come jail, cause some with them. Anything a nipa bi anya anoke kan kwase asem on social media ne Ghana ho. Said yen menya den mo bodam. Now let me show you who J.A. Kufuor is. Yati krom ha. Enkwara no mo ba na obeti history gitingiti bi na mo adwene am say ye ne penifo na mo beto ye no ye ka asem a ye nim de ye ka ope one of the greatest criminals o medi Ghana so a and I say Ghana be doing that J.A. Kufuor. Yes, because there are so many things, facts under his leadership. Otchere clearly said he's not supposed to be a statesman in Ghana. And in Jamaica, I've drawn the line. And Debbie Ameka Kufuor as a husband, as a father, as a grandfather, as a family head, I respect him. But as a politician, Kufuor is a criminal. Yes, or a Kufuor. And nobody can contest that because the facts are clear. As an NPP member, a card-bearing member of the NPP, I will keep my word every single day. And it needs to be recorded in the history of Ghana. Because Kufuor Krono be boy, you know. So President Bi Bobi Okroma anka enne Ghana ne yetene kentia. Kufuor is the greatest political criminal in the history of Ghana. The only thing I want the fact make James boy. And I'm going to show you a little bit of Kufuor today. Maybe Kufuor the cunning nature. The lies he told you people, the way he amassed wealth, conflict of interest, nepotism, clear corrupt practices, Kufuor siphoning, making sure our state facilities. Kufuor my anything. So you people, at the end of the day, I am mubi munsie nyansa way and we power. No, but I name ya say, the amu no. Kufuor because we are about to expose Kufuor. Your uncle be 20 years, 21 years. Omo take Kufuor some omo shada nim the detailing. Nyoma Kufuor ya na dangerous and ka politician be ya anka Ghana ebebutu. And so young people in the NPP bebre bonim ena Kufuor be the president 25 years ni. 25 good years ni. Why are we not protecting the Kufuor who just left office? I didn't think I could protect Kufuor. If you say, no more Bonia Kufuor, you know, NPP for Asante for person kataso. Mumu be more bodam. Muntieme. Anamatese mkuko kasa. Me say mumu be no more bodam. Moba na mobe kandi Kufuor ne boni na ewo krataso no. The facts no. Na maka say in Chiriman say, Papa way or no ena abo Ghana form. Then we start to move forward. Na ahwode amudi defend Kufuor no adena mo fa bi defend Kufuor Addo ahwode na amonya na mudi defend Kufuor adena mo fa bi defend Kufuor because Kufuor is a twerp. He's a toy president. That guy is basically a dwarf who does not respect the rule of law. Go and defend Kufuor adena mo twa Kufuor Addo eja because moko baby a mo gi se nipa dodo no enim history no. But you see, our job here is to sell the message to the people. Use the fact to let people know. Dreamer politicians say, dear, it is a majority must say, Money message. The strategy is more sympathetic vote. Intia more for Kufuor Addo count. Today you people are shy to defend Kufuor Addo. Kwasia for more Kufuor Bejimi Bre. Obuya fast because not Facebook in war. Obuya fast because not Twitter and effective. Obuya fast because there are no records. Me ankame nye way, but more NPP for them with Jimmy and Pesa Ghana for whom Nipa Kufuor ye. Now you send another person Kufuor politics man Ghana bebo. And I've said, and I'm going to say this again. Kufuor as a husband, I respect him. Kufuor as a grandfather, I respect him. Kufuor as a family head, I respect him. Kufuor as an Ashanti, I respect him. But Kufuor as a politician is a criminal. He's one of the greatest criminals we have ever had to lead Ghana. And nobody can change my mind on that because the facts are there and clear. Betcha mnyama kakrebi 2024 me boso, but ana mumu enkwara ni bi na munim Ghana political history no ene ana moma nkwasiafo bi on say de me na nwumre Kufuor. You know why? Because ankanya mo a anka we de enka meka mo agimi nti mo de mo papa na ne nsa akɔhye binim mo NPP fo na Bawumia nkola ne Sammy jantre ni no me se mo agimi nti mo de mo papa Kufuor ne nsa akɔhye binim, and that is what you do today. The damage Kufuor did to Ghana, the nonsense we experienced under Kufuor, the clear-cut manipulation of the system, stealing us daylight robbery, creating opportunities for his cronies to steal from us. That is what I'm talking about. And to Kufuor Addo Yesu. Adam Williams say. Now, maybe I'm on Kufuor. My mention the Kufuor kakra, and right now we are going to have the Kufuor episode on this platform. And I'm going to say, Mona Mokaka Kufuor Konadakem because Kufuor no nan compensate annual we abeke catcher in Chirimano, Momo who says Sana not yet. But mo Samira Bawumia Mahamadu Bawumia Mona Makofaba, Miyako, I'm a nice guy. I mention history kakra about Kufuor Krono be boy. Detailing kakra. Mumu bebre no Asante fo ni bi NPP fo ni monte brofo nti. Ya kenkan krata na monte ase ende me kan na madwudwam. Kevin Taylor me den mo bodam. Na me betia no oyin se obi da hwe me. Radie. What Kufuor Hotel, Kufuor Chief Kufuor, sole owner of Hotel Kufuor. But when him details of Krono Kufuor, Edisa Hotel we bought Ghana. Hey, when him the Kufuor, or a crop is a Cuban hanging at dada. Kufuor, occupy China and Jelino. Kufuor and North Korea and command the Hamas on the Kong. Yana ye Jimintini as a song Kwasi Asamsu Ghana. There are so many people who came to lead us and they are not supposed to be walking on the streets of Ghana. Yes, because of the damage they did. Hey, Mujin say in Tony Adichere mine. Sebio obienyirinti odi boni ama meyanka. You are the cause of Ghana's problems. Mon kwarani bino. In the oti and say, adentine mo betenasia. Mon keka we nyina nkyerema Ghana fo hu the kind of people you are. The NPP, the kind of people you are. But when you come, and where you say, and where internet can come, Jimmy, make sure bomb no bunko to be more bottom. Now, me, who have I offended? Why am I anybody? Oh, because I am telling the people the gospel truth. Now, this issue, Nipa Bebratia some way, oh, Kufuor Hotel, Kufuor, utie details in the woman, a bit sunum. Let me show you something. That issue I friend of Hotel Wawa Airport West Hospitality Company Limited Kufuor Emma Ebiye. Mama show and asman be catch we. Ebi awati Kufuor Hotel Kufuor de andian. Omunka details ncho because omun so mu chire we here. Kufuor abubefu. Now in some be calling dey nyina no for president Omaba nefa just to put na sefa yefa say John Mahama. Na yɛmfa ntoto wo nsa nkɛndɛ nkwasiafo mo radio so TV so Facebook ni TikTok ATM no sankom bɛka de ɔmo kana. Let me show you this. Now, establishment of the company Shraj findings. Kufuor ede using a ma area Ghana sika esa the state banks sika eto hotel ema no ho tie me. Kufuor ema ne mabie companies. Ena in the Shraj report no companies no mubie no Kufuor ma mienu. Ena na company no mudia. Na dia e wan say Kufuor at the state agencies banks they are buying banks and omuma omudi sika mo omoto e de eto sa hotel no na Kufuor na president. Now the commission found that one AWHCL, that is the Airport West Hospitality Company Limited, incorporated in 2002 and was used as the vehicle for the acquisition of the hotel. Sa company near Freno, Airport West Hospitality Company Limited, no 2002, and yet see, and Akufo na president. Now, sa company no mutie no, and no de fast to sa hotel no. Strategy ben no fast to hotel no. Now, report wedding or say Chief Kufuor established a company, the Airport West Hospitality Company Limited, as a vehicle for the purchase of the hotel. It's Chief Kufuor on an AJA Kufuor ba or could be a company. And or this company no eto hotel. Nani papa na ye president. How did he raise money? Onya sika wain. Chief Kufuor, how much was he worth? Ni papa be di president year bain 2000s. 2002 no be a company. And or the to hotel. Nani sika wain. The guarantee a chest of to hotel the free hina buy. Obeka jam say me and Kufuor ho asem. E wi say me Kufuor e lazy. Inti nan kama betina na meji mi fanti nti me me pachaw. Me me pa wan chaw. I mention what there. Details na me de ma no. Now, Shraj findings. Shraj stated that at the time of investigation, John Addo Kufuor was the sole shareholder. Sa company near Freno, a Airport West Hospitality Company Limited. No, na John Addo Kufuor kwan a shareholder. Sa company kakraka ebeto a hotel worth billions na nipa ba ko pe ene dia. One person. J.A. Kufuor ba John Addo Kufuor. Onu kwan ene dia. Now, sole signatory and one of the directors. Tie. Now onu kwan signature and a commander sa company no. And at the end of the day, or you're one of the directors. Meaning, nani pa ba kubi kahun, and a momu ye hotel, ba shareholder, and a ba director. Why na director? The sole shareholder, as of the time of investigations, was Chief Kufuor, who was also a sole signatory. The report further stated, Nana Ama Kufuor was the other director. Nana Ama Kufuor is Kufuor's daughter. Chief Kufuor is Kufuor's son. Nana Ama Kufuor Kufuor baba. Chief Kufuor Kufuor babema. Omu mienu nkwa ne bie hotel company no. Bema no ena ni signature running company no. Ono na osi ene dia ena ni nua ba oya Kufuor ba ne dia director. Two people. Busa was at that time no na Chief Kufuor no how much is he worth? Na ni sika ye saying. Ni nua ba no a director no ono na ni sika ye say Kufuor ma mienu ebie company in 2002 on papa be di president na me chiraw Kufuor how diabolic dreamer or these state institutions edi Ghana what was said there ye ka say Kufuor as a politician is a criminal above hwade strategy for investigations no this is what they came up with. Shraj found that Prudential Bank coordinated financing for the acquisition and completion of the hotel. Kufuor president na neba ni kapre no and a Prudential Bank for and omo ye den omo coordinate financing omo no pay sika from sa bank and any other banks and omo de ba Kufuor ba no. Kwan na president na e Kufuor and a president. Suddenly or interestingly, a banks nyina e state banks omo nyina ba together so omo ba Kufuor ba no sika podium na Akoto hotel. Na Chief Kufuor no ye hwan. Their role no play. Kufuor ba boy no. Kufuor Junior no ye hwan. Now, Chief Kufuor applied to Prudential Bank Limited (PBL) to mobilize about $6 million to acquire, complete, and operate the hotel. Chief Kufuor instructed the Prudential Bank. Any other bank to say, Omunjiji sika $6 million. So some na yekan 2002. Unimska yekan wasem. 2002. Uni maybe a $6 million. Unim sa sika no unim se di etie. And the cross $6 million. Ubetumi akain. Kufuor ne ba oni kapre otumi instructed banks emomutumi put it together $6 million. This is 2002. I mention idea. Make sure who Kufuor is and part one no. Role of National Investment Bank. You didn't like a Prudential Bank. Now National Investment Bank also eka and free Strike findings. The commission found that NIB, National Investment Bank, participated in the financing the project. NIB should do musika koshemu. Papa be the president 2 years ago, so 1.5 years. Suddenly, wait to me, I'm making sure the banks wage now will be a company in 2002. Banks wage to me raise sika at the amount. NIB, National Investment Bank. National Investment Bank, Meno Bank. They took that money. Almost can one pompi sikama Kufuor ba. Now report wedding. NIB is reported to have agreed to finance the hotel with an amount of $2.5 million, which includes an equity subscription of $200,000. NIB, a bank nisika $2.5 million. Kufuor ba be a company 2002. Only new bank one company nim. On papa na president. Omotimi ageti state banks, any other banks to give them over $6 million. You think it's a joke? Adia way and there. Mahamadu Bawumia and a Mahamadu Bawumia president and a be a hotel and a banks have money $60 million. Again, kebeda kuma. Also Kufuor Addo angel. Mami anka Kufuor asem. Now, this is the strike report that me really chira no. Me wia na ma chira mo say, mo papa Kufuor onya angel. Mo papa Kufuor onya disabled. Mo papa Kufuor just lazy. And nobody is going to force me to change my words. Because maybe you want to put him in that category of Kufuor disabled. Because me but I want people to know Kufuor no, who Kufuor is. Ebi ankwara about 20 years ni munim Kufuor. Unim dreamer Kufuor di Ghana. Now let me show you this. Strategy report on payment to Anthony Saud. I say the commission found that the former owner of the property, Anthony Saud, was paid in installments. Ukuonima report wedding. Mr. Anthony Saud was paid $3.5 million for the hotel in 2 installments. You can say installment. Omutia 3.5 million, 2 installments. Omutia bako and be $3.5 million. Kufuor bano konya skani free. Company obi in 2002. Ne investment net saying how much was that company worth to be able to make sure state banks raise $6 million a Kufuor who was buying the hotel. Yatete Ghana yenka Kufuor asem mo so na mbeke kan kwasi asem mo na makofa wo yaba wo ye be bie Kufuor to. He has no credibility in politics. As a father, I respect him. As a grandfather, I respect him. As an Ashanti elder, I respect. But Kufuor as a politician is a criminal. And that will follow him. Because Nyoma Kufuor yeno, si atroni asese osan kende Kufuor dem. Hey. Mama Chama Debi. Report specified 2 million on February 27, 2004 and 1.5 million on August 20, 2004. And that's how they paid the money. Idea. ECOWAS Regional Investment Bank, the banks some use here, NIB, Prudential Bank, ECOWAS Regional Investment Bank. Omuma loan saying Stride confirmed approval of financial support from ERIB, ECOWAS Regional Investment Bank. Now, the report said further support came from the ERIB with an approval of a loan facility of $1 million on August 17, 2005 for Kufuor Sons Company. Remember, company where I just $6 million. So nipa mi nupe ene yomo di Kufuor ba bema ene ne baba. Osi me anka Kufuor ho asem. Enti me kire mo se Kufuor no anka ni se ko gina bedwom kura kasa. No. Nobody should give Kufuor any space to speak in Ghana politics. Wobetu ehun be hyem me ko mumu. Nan be am free ba. Ana mo bodam. Let me show you Kufuor, the damage Kufuor did. allegation that President Kufuor was the real owner. Investigations from Shraj. And I'm really sure. Shraj did not find substantial evidence proving that President Kufuor secretly owned the hotel. But listen, although the exact final wording is not fully reproduced in the sources available online, the overall conclusion reported publicly was that, and I quote, the evidence supported ownership by John Addo Kufuor, 2, not hidden ownership by the president. This is reflected in the headline reporting of the findings. Chief Kufuor, sole owner of the hotel Kufuor. The main aim was for Kufuor to own the company or own the hotel and then making it look like it belongs to his son. So you see, when Shraj did all their report, you will not find Kufuor's name in there, say, hotel near Kufuor there. But when you go back to check how Chief Kufuor editing nearby, it will be a company. 2002. Omutumi F4C. State institutions, state banks to give them 6 million. Who influenced that? Because Chief Kufuor, they don't have that money. That company was less than 2 years. That company had only 2 directors and 1 signatory. So how were they able to raise that money? It was because Kufuor was president and he influenced that process. Yes. Now, Mamen Show, Shraj conclusion, what did they say? Ownership of the hotel. Shraj conclusion. Shraj concluded that the hotel was legally owned by John Addo Kufuor. That is what Kufuor wanted. Through a company called Airport West Hospitality Company Limited. So that is what Kufuor wanted to establish. Hotel on the media, by Mama Mebano, and I had the ADNM 2002. Meti company. Me baba man me baba no kwa ne belidi me dinim enti echi omo kra you can't mention my name. That was the master plan. Now, Mr. John Addo Kufuor, the son of President John Agyapong Kufuor, is the sole owner of the property near the president's private residence known as Hotel Kufuor. Baby na Kufuor no hotel ni sino. Sa hotel wa no na ene Kufuor private residence na share wall. Do you understand? Sa hotel na in their friend Regency Hotel so dey na e wa Accra no. Right now it is called African Regent Hotel. Sa hotel na almost torn $6 million those times no. Na ene Kufuor private residence na share wall. J.A. Kufuor president no. Hotel na ne baneto no ene Kufuor efiri na share wall. What are you telling me? Oze Kufuor is corrupt. He's the worst president in the history of Ghana. Yes, me chamo Kufuor no. Muna mo pushi modene share bracket bi me fa Kufuor share bracket bi amo. Muna mo se Kufuor disabled. Kufuor is not disabled. It is some person come as my monka. Mema kwasi bi antal Kevin Taylor say and or the yare about Kufuor the doctor's report ajero. Kufuor publishing the doctor's report so disabled. Yeah, can Kufuor dwuma obedi ya obo Ghana kro mo de mokwasi atete Facebook ne TikTok ejimi mo ho. Why na me ya NPP ni ba ekuta card. What the NDC for na menkasa na NDC papa dia. Mo bottom. Mama tell who Kufuor is. Now, overall takeaway from the Shraj findings. What Shraj effectively concluded, the hotel was legally owned by John Addo Kufuor, which is what Kufuor wanted to do from the beginning, because no him say fraudulent, but on why ya ebechino to the nembana nebeye. 2, financing came through banks and institutional loans. 3, the president was not proven to be the hidden owner. And 4, Shraj did not establish criminal corruption against President Kufuor. At that time, who is Shraj to say Kufuor has committed a crime? Because from day one, J.A. Kufuor planned this very well so that the arrow, the direction will not come to him. So you will never say Kufuor, but unimunyansa now was said the beginning. Oma be a company, no? The number of people in the company, how these banks all came together to give them money. Then you will know that the hotel was being purchased by J.A. Kufuor. I don't know one country, but on paper, so you are rational now. You will see Kufuor basically influence the process to buy that hotel because it shared a wall with his private residence.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.